Okay, now what if I have a circuit that's controlling a double acting cylinder, but I want to change this circuit to run a single acting cylinder. Now, first thing we do is let's delete the double acting cylinder. Let's go over here on the navigation and type in cylinder, make sure we're in pneumatics here. And look, there's a single acting cylinder and one with a spring return. Let's put the spring return one in there. Okay, and notice that this line is not connected anymore. We just have a single acting cylinder. That means we can control the extension and that spring will bring it back. Or if you have a load that's on your actuator, the load can bring it back if it's fighting gravity or for whatever reason. Okay, so if I don't have this connection, then I don't need these components that go to that side. But I have a problem. I have this air just extending out. Well, a quick solution for this is let's just say, let's plug it up. Let's do a pneumatic plug. Let's go up plugs right here. Let's get this plug out there. Let's edit, go to position, and let's flip it horizontally. And then I have a plug that I'm just going to connect right to that line. Okay, so that's line's plugged in this position. And then when I push the button, it should extend the cylinder. So I hit play. It's plugged. Air is not going anywhere. I push the button. It extends out, extends the cylinder. There I'm controlling a single acting cylinder with a pneumatic impulse 5 two-way valve just by plugging it. But another way to do it is go in here. Let's delete this plug. If I can, let's just highlight it that way. Delete. Now let's change this guy and let's say I don't want a 5-2, I want a 3-2. Okay, and then the 3-2 valve is on the right side, should have a plug. So we'll go here and see what that looks like. Okay, so we'll come in and we'll be plugged and have an exhaust line. Then on the left side, well, when we push the, or when we send the impulse in, that's when we want to have a straight path through. So we can go to here it is, straight path through, and the other side plugged. Okay, well, let's look at that. Let's see what that looks like here. Okay, so let's delete the extra exhaust. Let's hold shift, then grab this guy and it disconnects it. And let's delete that line and let's remake it to the plugged in. That way we can put the exhaust on that end. Now, when we first start, oh, I need to connect those two there. Okay, now when we first start, this is plugged, just like we had with the 5-2, but now we're using the proper device here because we don't need that extra line. So we can use the simpler 3 two-way valve with a pneumatic impulse. It's plugged. Let's double check that our simulation works. Okay, high pressure stopped here, and if we push this button, it allows an impulse to the left side of our 3 two-way valve. It slides it over. Air can get through, and it can extend the cylinder, let go, and it comes back.